Hello and welcome. I'm Shakshi Giri and you're watching TSW News. Let's take a look at the top headlines from India and around the world. India and Canada refresh domestic ties as both name new invoice, marking a reset in relations. India emerges as the world's third largest economy this fiscal year, overtaking several global peers. US imposes 50% tariff on Indian imports, affecting exports ranging from textiles to jewelry. Samsung commands 41% of India's tablet market as the Galaxy Tab S11 launch approaches. CBSE reminds schools to submit 2026 board exam candidate list by September 30 ahead of new exam formats. Europe rethinking defense posture as reliance on US weakens amid political uncertainty in Washington. Zuckerberg lobbied Trump on digital service taxes prior to a major EU trade dispute, per reports. India urged to gear up for multi-duration conflicts, from short skirmishes to prolonged battles, defense ministers call. 2 advanced stealth frigates commissioned in Visakhapatnam, India vows to stop importing foreign warships. ARD and DRDO planning indigenous Gatling-style rapid-fire guns to boost India's air defense. FBI exposes Salt Typhoon cyber campaign, linking China to breaches of 200 US firms across 80 countries. Alibaba scientist predicts AI will soon outpace human in coding, highlighting rapid advancement in large language models. Microsoft unveils 2 new AI models, MAI Voice 1 and MAI 1 Preview, targeted to rivals OpenAI's offerings. Teacher strength in India crosses 1 crore, contributing to improved student-teacher ratios and reduced dropouts. Delhi High Court orders blocking of SignHub and LibGen, igniting debates on access to research and open science. That's all for now. These were today's top headlines. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to TSW News for more news from India and around the world. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.